Chapter 14. Name and define the four functions of the digestive system: ingestion, digestion, absorption, and defecation. Ingestion is taking in food. Digestion is breaking food down physically and mechanically. Absorption is movement of nutrients into the bloodstream. Defecation rids the body of indigestible waste. List the structure of the alimentary canal, aka the GI tract, in proper order from ingestion to defecation. The organs are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine to anus, and the four layers are the mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, serosa. Mucosa is small, smooth muscle layer. Submucosa, it contains blood vessels, nerve endings, and lymphatics. Muscularis externa is a double layer, smooth muscle, circular/longitudinal. Serosa contains fluid-producing cells. Define or describe the following as they relate to the given digestive organs. The mouth. In the mouth, you have the hard palate. The hard palate forms the anterior roof. The soft palate forms posterior roof. The uvula is a fleshly projection of the soft palate. The vestibule is the space between lips, teeth, and gums. The pharynx. Now you have the pharynx. The function is swallowing, breathing, and speaking. In the pharynx, you have the nasopharynx. It's not part of the digestive system. The oropharynx is posterior to oral cavity. Laryngopharynx is below the oropharynx and connected to the esophagus. Next, you have the esophagus. It transports food and liquid from the mouth to the stomach. The stomach. Food enters at the cardio-esophageal sphincter and empties into the small intestine and at the pyloric sphincter, parentheses valve. And this function is to digest food. Next, you have the small intestine. It's the major digestive organ and site of nutrient absorption into the blood. It's a muscular tube extending from the pyloric sphincter to the ileocecal valve. It has three subdivisions: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Pancreatic duct and common bile duct enter duodenum at sphincter of Oddi, O-D-D-I, capital O. Then you have the microvilli, villi, and circular folds. The microvilli are tiny projections of the plasma membrane. It's a brush border appearance. The villi is a finger-like structure formed by the mucosa. Next, you have the circular folds, parentheses, pillocase circulares, and parentheses, they are deep folds of mucosa and submucosa. Next, you have the large intestine. Cecum is a sac-like first part of large intestine. Appendix is an accumulation of lymphatic tissue and hangs from the cecum. Explain the topics mentioned pertaining to the accessory digestive organs. The accessory digestive organs are the teeth, salivary glands, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. Teeth, you have 20 deciduous or baby teeth and 32 permanent teeth. And the salivary glands, parotid, submandibular, and sublingual. Pancreas produces insulin and glucagon. It produces a variety of enzymes for digestion. Liver, 4 lobes. It has 4 lobes. It's connected to the gallbladder via common hepatic duct. It produces bile, which emulsifies fats. Lastly, you have the gallbladder. The gallbladder, gallstones are crystallized cholesterol which can cause blockage. The function is to store concentrated bile. Define the following. I'm defining peristalsis, mastication, rugae, nutrient metabolism, catabolism, anabolism, and basic metabolic rate. Peristalsis, it's alternating waves of contraction and relaxation that squeezes food along the GI tract. Mastication is breaking down food using teeth and jaws. Rugae is internal folds of the mucosa. Nutrient rate is assessing and communicating the nutritional value of food. Metabolism is chemical process of breaking down food and drink into energy. Catabolism are substances are broken down to simpler substances. Energy is released. Anabolism, larger molecules are built from smaller ones. Basic metabolic rate, or BMR, is the amount of heat produced by the body per unit of time at rest. Explain the mechanical digestion versus chemical digestion. Physical breakdown of food. Mechanical is physical, and the chemical is a chemical breakdown. Name the 4 major nutrients and 2 minor nutrients. The major are the major are carbohydrates, lipids, protein, and water. Carbohydrates are broken to simple sugars or glucose. Lipids are broken to fatty acids. Proteins are broken to amino acids. And then just water. And the minor ones are vitamins and minerals. Describe the digestive activity throughout the body. Oral cavity to the stomach, which is mechanical and chemical, and to the small intestine, which is also mechanical and chemical. And then the pancreas, which is just chemical. Liver, just chemical. Gallbladder, just chemical. And to the large intestine, mechanical and chemical.